guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing my Sephora VIB sale haul. I know I'm making this a thing now, guys. I'm making this a thing every time that there is a Sephora sale. Apparently I need to go shopping. I'm just going to preface this by saying if you guys think that I'm about to unbox like hundreds of dollars of makeup, like that's not what's going to happen. I'm going to tell you right now. I don't really buy makeup anymore. I think I have like one makeup product in here, but other than that, I really focus more on skincare. Because you guys know I'm 30 now, so we got to keep it right, keep it tight. But if you guys want to see what I picked up from the Sephora sale, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm going to say. If you're not already subscribed, I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I feel like you're going to be here when I do. If you like luxury, like handbags, you like fashion, you like makeup, or maybe you don't like makeup, maybe you like skincare, I feel like this is definitely where you're going to be. So subscribe if you're not already, and you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just the K Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day there's a reel, outfit of the day, something on stories. That's a lot. Okay, we post a lot over there. So just follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the haul. So let me tell you how lazy I am. Let me tell you how lazy I am. I knew that I needed these things right away because there was one thing in here that I am like dangerously low on. And if I didn't get it like right now, it was going to be a disaster. Okay. So instead of just going to the mall and buying the stuff that I needed, I got same day delivery. I paid like $7 for same day. I don't even care. I'm lazy and I am proud. So I'm just going to start with that item that I needed because I'm like dangerously low on. And this is it. This is the A+ high dose retinoid serum from Sunday Riley. I do currently have this and I'm like running super low. Like there is like air, only air coming out of the pump right now. And if you guys know anything about retinol, like you need to use it consistently, okay? Or else things go crazy. And that's actually what happened to me. I started using this probably like 3 months ago or something like that. My skin freaked the F out because this is the first time that I had ever used like any type of retinoid, retinol, whatever.
I'm not a skincare person, guys, so don't try to fight me right now, okay? I know bags, I don't know skincare.
I mean, I do my best, but this is my first time that I had ever used one of these, and all that I really knew about it was that people recommended that you use it. So this was one that had the most reviews, or like the best reviews. So I was like,
yeah, whatever. Throw it in the cart. Let's go. Let's do the damn thing.
So I started applying this every single day when I first got it. And I probably put like 3 pumps every single day. That's not what you're supposed to do. That's not what you're supposed to do, man. My skin spazzed out. I had never seen my skin look so disgusting. There were these like huge, painful, like ginormous pimples just like all over my face. And they were nasty. I was like, you know what? Clearly this is not for me. So after using probably half the bottle, I was like, you know what, I'm done. So I just like kind of purged my skin and let it be. I did a lot more research and obviously I already had this one. This is like $85 or something. So like I was not going to throw this out. I was like, I'm going to use this one, but let me do every other day and let me do 1 pump. 1 pump. So doing it like that, I feel like has been a lot better. I definitely did still get a couple of breakouts, but it was nowhere near how it was before. It even says it right here. Apply 1 to 2 pumps in the evening to clean. It says it right. Like, come on. For new like, just read, guys. Just read. I don't read, apparently. So this is what it looks like. Obviously, I am about to be done with mine, so I'm not going to like pump it out or anything. A lot of people don't like the way that this smells. I really don't care, to be honest. I don't really find it super offensive. I have my backup ready to go. So now we'll knock the boring things out of the way. Just like I did in my last haul, I got some masks. I have to do this every time, you guys. I just love these sheet masks. So does Alana. So we usually use them together. We kind of just mix and match, except there's one that she's not allowed to touch because it's my favorite one. And it is this one. I'm obsessed with this one, you guys. This is the Sephora Nourishing and Soothing Coconut Extract Mask. This mask is so hydrating. It is like a thick, hydrating, and it smells real good like coconut. I absolutely love this. So anytime that Alana wants a mask, I'm like, you can pick anyone except that one. I also used this one before. This is the moisturizing and glowing lychee extract one. The lychee one says 136% skin glow after 1 use, 67% hydration after 2 hours, and 23% after 8 hours. The next one I got is the vitamin B6, which I think I did get in my last haul. I do really like this one too, but again, nothing beats the coconut one for me. I don't care. It says it instantly and intensely nourishes skin, relieves skin from feeling tight for skin that is more comfortable, softer, and looks repaired. Honestly, I'm just going to assume that most of these are just for hydrating. Okay. Like, yeah, I do have really oily skin. My skin is oily. Ooh, you think your skin's oily? My skin is so oily, but hydration is the most important thing to me. That's just how I feel. I want my skin to have like elasticity. So I like to hydrate the shit out of my face. The next one is the watermelon extract one. This says it's for quenching and plumping effect. Like, who want to look plump? I like to look plump. This one says 54% hydration after 2 hours, 26 after 8 hours, 100% of people said that their skin looks like it's full of water and it looks bouncier after the first use.
What?
And then there's the purifying and clarifying, and this is the lemon extract one, and it says it's for anti-imperfections. And this one says 23% smoother skin texture after one use, 59% after 4 weeks. 100% of volunteers find their skin purified from the first use. So I love these masks. I don't care. I'm excited to use them. And that is that. So digging into the bag of fun again, I have a concealer. This is pretty much the only makeup item that I bought. And that's just because I feel like I have like one concealer and it's by Huda Beauty and I do like it. But like I need a little bit of variation in my life. So this is the Fenty Beauty We're Even Hydrating Longwear Concealer. I got the shade 230W. Do I know if this is gonna match? I have no freaking clue. I just literally was like,
this one.
and checked out, and that was it. So hopefully this shade is not horrendous. So this is what the applicator looks like. I'm excited. This shade looks pretty good, right? I'm not really into the extremely bright under eyes as I once was, as I feel like we mostly all were. Like, am I lying? But I'm not really, like, I want it to match like pretty well. Just like a little bit lighter is fine with me. So I really don't know if this is gonna, we'll see. There's only 2 things left in my bag, though I will say I kind of realized after I placed this order, you know, that one day that it came literally later on in that day. Since then, I have run out of one thing and realized that there's something else that I'm very close to running out on. So I'll let you guys know what those are because I'm definitely going to be buying those as well. The next thing is a beauty blender. I know this is so boring and like who actually buys these anymore, but like I do because I love them. I know a lot of people really have like hopped off the beauty blender like bandwagon. People like to use brushes now or just like any other sponge that's not like $20. But I just don't. Personally, I have not found anything that I like to apply my foundation as much as a beauty blender. So I just picked up the pink one. I really don't care about the colors. I know some people care very deeply about the color. I don't give a shit. I'm just gonna, whatever's there, whatever's closest to my finger is the one that I'm gonna get. So this is the pink one. I'm very excited. I have probably like 15 beauty blenders, but every time I buy a new one, I throw one out because trust me, they get crusty as shit. Mine are, I mean, not all of them, obviously, but some of them, I can't show those on camera. That's nasty. It's nasty. And the last thing in my bag is one of my favorite things ever. And these are the Shiseido Benefiance Wrinkle Resist 24 Pure Retinol Express Smoothing Eye Masks. If I could recommend one thing for you to get during the sale, it is this. I love these eye masks so much. These are very expensive. Okay, this pack of 12 is like $72, but it's of 12, right? So if you do that math, not that bad, right? So my last Sephora haul, I tried the Murad. I have it pulled up here because I can't remember what they're called. Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Mask because these were sold out. I did not like those at all. First of all, they were enormous. I mean, I don't really mind that they're enormous, but because they were enormous, they slipped off my face constantly. I just had to push them up over and over again. And I just really didn't like them. I didn't feel like they did as much as these do. And I love these. And so every chance that I get, I actually have a pack that probably has like 10 left in it right now. But I don't care. Every chance that I get, I will be purchasing these. So if you see me, which, I mean, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see me a lot with eye masks. It's always these. So now let me hit you guys with the 2 things that I'm definitely going to be buying. So the first thing that I just like absolutely need to buy, and this is not only for me, by the way, is this Pattern Gel. This is the Pattern Stronghold Gel. This gel is magic, okay? It's magic, and I'm actually not the only one who uses this in my house. Elver also uses this. I use this every single day. Yes, I did say every single day. And I swear this is the only gel that actually lets me not wash my hair like every 3 days. Because usually with all the other gels that I've used, I feel like after 3 days, no matter what I do to preserve my curls, they look like just frizzy, stringy, and like stupid after like 3 days, like literally 3 days. I'm gonna tell you, I think I washed my hair on Tuesday, either Monday or Tuesday, and today is Saturday. Okay, we refresh the hair every single day. Every single day. Look at, are you kidding me? I have gone, and I am both proud and not proud to admit this, but I don't care. I have literally gone 3 weeks without washing my hair because of this. Okay, is there a pillow on this? There was a pillow. I don't recommend going 3 weeks without washing your hair, by the way, just in case somebody wants it. Don't do that. I haven't done it since that one time. I'm just saying I did it. No one noticed. And honestly, when it was the day that I was gonna wash my hair, people were
Like, why are you gonna wash your hair? Your hair looks great.
like, stop. And the last thing that I definitely will be buying, so this order is gonna be a 2-piece nugget. I'm gonna get this and I'm gonna get the pattern gel, and that's it. So the brow freeze from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I just finished this literally today as I was doing my makeup. Okay, first of all, you can see how absolutely, like, if you guys want to unsubscribe, like, I would honestly understand. Won't even take it personally. You can't even tell because it's clear, but this is so, it's like there is not a drop of brow freeze in here. So I personally can't live without this brow freeze. I know Anastasia recently came out with like an actual like gel version, like a brow gel. You get what I'm saying? Like a brow gel version of the brow freeze, but I don't care about that. Look how clean and pretty this one is compared to the one. What the hell is that? And you can see this one is obviously brand new. So, I mean, you can't really tell. Maybe you can tell. Brand new. So I'm going to start using this next time I do my makeup, which will probably be in like 5 weeks because that's just how I do these days. But I am definitely going to be picking this up because even though obviously this one is like full, it's not going to stay this way. Okay. It's not going to stay this way because we use it every single time. Like, I think if I was going to do my makeup and not use a brow freeze, I would judge myself pretty hard. I'd be judgy. So yeah, guys, those were all of the items that I picked up from the Sephora sale so far. Well, I mean, I let you know what the other two will be, but those will be it. That is everything that I'm picking up. I just feel like this is the time that you want to just restock on your favorites, especially if you're really into skincare or if you're into like hair products. Hair products can get so expensive, you guys. It's so expensive. So this is definitely a good time for that. Or if you need like a new hair dryer or anything like that, any of those like big ticket items, like any type of Dyson, anything really, today is the day. Okay, but let me know in the comments what you guys thought about the items that I picked up. Do you love any of these? Do you have any of these? Do you hate any of these? Definitely let me know your thoughts. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there, except I haven't the last 2 days, so maybe I should today. But that's it for this video, so I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Face masks feel super good. They feel super good a lot.